Please pardon my mess here. I just want to give you guys some quick advice about these Canon printers. This is the MX922, if you can see that there. This one I got first, and I got it several years ago now. I'd have to say about at least 4 years ago, if not more. It is 2018 right now, summer 2018, August 2018, and I decided to upgrade to this printer for only $100 after dealing with a Samsung that had been driving me crazy, and I finally retired it. And it was at the time it was the world's smallest all-in-one. Well, this one is much smaller. The footprint is a little bit bigger. But anyway, I was using this for a while. It was working fine. And then I started using replacement ink cartridges from Amazon that were really cheap. And I think that's where things started to go wrong, because it started printing out documents that were where the font and the letters and everything were all jagged. And I switched to a different ink, and it seemed to get better. And then it started to give me other issues, so I just decided to retire it permanently after a friend gave me this one here, which is the MG5420. See, I'm having a little problem focusing here. And this one behaves a lot better. It prints well. As you can see, it's not as, I don't think it's, well, it is missing some of the functionality that this one has. As you can see, that has the feeder. It's like a true all-in-one, this one here. But this one is basically, it just has the flatbed scanner on top. And the main thing I want to tell you about both of these printers is they take an eternity to print. I don't know what it is. Sometimes you will go to print a document on them and it will print right away in like 5 seconds. And then other times, which is most of the time, it will literally take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes just to print one page. It will just go through this whole thing where it says it's processing, it's warming up, all this nonsense when it's already been turned on. I don't know why it does that. This one is far worse about it than this one. So the MX922, in a nutshell, I can't recommend either of these printers. I would avoid these printers. As a matter of fact, I don't think I'm ever going to buy another Canon printer. I kind of felt they went hand in hand with this stuff here, but you know, that was once said about Epson, and those turned out not to work very well for me either. So I'm going to keep searching, but for now, if you want my advice on either of these models, which is the MG5420 or the MX922 Canon printers, okay? This one's also kind of messed up there, but there you go. I would not recommend either of these printers. I would say look elsewhere. All right, thank you for watching this video. If you are wanting to find advice on any other printers or any other type of peripherals or anything for computers or anything else, just let me know in the comments. There's a possibility I've probably used it. But for now, this is for these two. Thanks again for watching.